Britain under Boris Johnson. We're asking you to table this in the House of Commons. That Nigeria needs to break. Yoruba nation needs to go out of Nigeria. We need to stand. We need to have one self-determination. Nigeria is not working. The government of Nigeria is a terrorist government. The government of Nigeria is a kidnapping government. Yes. The government of Nigeria is a murderer.
Yes.
They murder a lot of school children.
Yes.
They murder farmers in their farm. They take over the land. They are the murderers. The herdsmen are being fortified by the government with AK-47. And they go about rampaging, killing and maiming, and kidnapping and murdering people, taking people for ransom. So we are saying, Yoruba nation,
no.
Yoruba nation,
no, no, no.
Yoruba nation,
no, no.
There's no going back, there's no retreat.
Yes.
Our agitators have been arrested.
Yes.
They are being tried in Abuja.
Yes.
They are being tried in Lagos.
Yes.
They are even being tried in Benin Republic. Sunday Igboho must be released.
Yes.
You can see Sunday Igboho